This is how to change your YouTube channel name. You see, you can always change your YouTube channel name, and you can do that through youtube.com. That is using your desktop computer, and you can also use your YouTube app with your phone. I'll be walking you through the two processes in this video, but it is very important you know this. You can only change your YouTube channel name twice in 14 days, and this is important. If your YouTube channel is already verified, changing your YouTube channel name will make you lose your verification badge, at least temporarily. You will need to reapply to get that verification badge back. But how do you change your YouTube channel name? Let me show you. The first method I'll be walking you through is using your YouTube mobile app on your phone to change your YouTube channel name. You tap your YouTube app, you tap your profile picture down here, you tap your name. You can see this pencil, you tap it. You can see name, you tap this pencil. This is where you change the name. Look at it. When you change the name, it is visible to anyone on YouTube. And also this, changes to your name will be reflected only on YouTube. And you can see this, you can change your name twice in 14 days, then you save. For you to change your YouTube channel name using your desktop computer, that is youtube.com, you make sure you log on to the YouTube account that you want to change the YouTube channel name for. You can see this is mine. You click on your profile picture, this one, you click that, you select YouTube Studio, you can see YouTube Studio. You scroll down, you select customization, then you scroll down, you can see name. This is where you change your YouTube channel name. You can also see this information. Changes made to your name and picture are visible only on YouTube and not other Google services. That is, you cannot see this name when you are using your Gmail. Also, you can change your name twice in 14 days. So all you need to do is to change your name. For instance, I will change to JOFA. To save your name, you click publish. You can see changes published. You can go back to see the changes. Go back, you can see it has changed. You can also go back your channel. You can see JOFA. You can now change your YouTube channel name using your YouTube app with your phone and on your desktop computer. Thank you. You now know how to change your YouTube channel name. Changing your YouTube channel name will not affect your name in your Gmail. YouTube worked on that years ago. If this video has added value to you, do me one big favor. Please subscribe to this channel, like this video. Thank you so much for doing that for me. Also, check below the description of this video. You see different tools and resources that will help you grow your YouTube channel. And you can also take a look at my YouTube training. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye for now.